Yo, I'm Pierce.
And I'm Dax. This is Netfix.
We're based out of Vancouver Island, British Columbia, up in Canada. Our motive is to deliver content weekly that you can follow along with and learn something new. We have an 08 Cadillac CTS4 build, the daily 2000 Honda Civic EK hatchback, a 2011 Subaru STI trying to make 500 wheel horsepower, and we even cover bikes with our 2004 Harley Softail. We encourage proper safety for the home do-it-yourself mechanics and show you best practices, and provide solid knowledge for the new and the experienced. Not to say we don't go out and have fun from time to time, and we're all serious in our videos. We're also doing product unboxing and reviews.
Subscribe, click a series, and enjoy a Netfix original.
And we'll see you on the channel.